它总是让人痛，梦会变得很沉重。谁不渴望有人懂，能够陪我春夏秋冬？爱来匆匆去匆匆，心变得越来越空。谁能够一生相拥，却又害怕自我嘲讽
？Unreal Engine 4 to build the scene of 9-thread holder from IGES file. Let's see the physical elements. This is the buckle, the thread in, this is the holder, the threads in and with a knot. Then turn around and last cut the threads and fix with the buckle and a knot in here. Here is the holder of the hand. Then let's see the transformation. IGES file inside the Unreal Engine. From the file folder Night, translate started from the KTF. F means foundation. All the movable elements controlled moving by the air cylinder are separated individually by IGES formats. Some mechanism to handle the beginning of the thread. Some mechanism handle the buckle. Some mechanism handle the 9-thread holder. Push the thread into the hold of the holder and with a knot to fix the thread on top of the holder and the rotor motor turn around. Push the coding and then we press source actors and press merge actor button and give a single file name KTF and save it. The foundation is very big. It takes time for merging actors. And last, save the file named KTF. All the moving elements, some is smaller, some is bigger. Inside the foundation. It's better to let the foundation invisible as translating the inside elements to provide better looking. Otherwise, will hidden by the foundation. So invisible foundation. Then it's started from the first one. The body, moving parts. The B means button. The holder assembly and turning the threads at the bottom of the bottom part of the machine. We started the first inside elements. Is the button moving parts, which with two tools. One is a holder, one is driven by the motor turning in and out to push the thread inside the hole of the button. Right now, translate the T1, the 201 first. The 201 is the holder. Is something like a fixer and to hold the tube, and the 202 T2 is a narrow bar extension turning by the motor. Okay, this side, the C and other side is turning parts. The button are rotary. You will see the 9 thread holders, plastic elements is fixed at the rotor. The rotor turn around by a rotary motor. To turn and turned, let the thread turning around the holder, and with the cylinder push it up and down. You see the hole. You see the hole here. The thread threads in and fix the knots. Then the turning table, let the threads fixed on top of the holder. Let's see the body. The body with two linear threads. And a cylinder here to push the linear bodies up and down. So the turning table not only turning around the threads, but also can move up and down. So this one can move up and down. Next, let's translate the first element M1 moving part. From the top to the bottom, there are number 1 elements until number 8 elements, and then the bottom turning elements. The number 1 elements in at the very top of the machine. You can see the piston moving in these directions, but with a tool vertically, with a hood at the end. Let's see the tool of number 1 elements, M1T. T means tool. The tool, special tool with a hole, with a hood at the end. See? Can pull the thread back from the buckle to do the actions to fix the threads on the buckle. Okay, next let's handle the 5th elements to handle the buckle. The 5th elements with left and the right elements. Let's see the left elements first. The left elements with single, something like a foot. Arrow. With a foot here. The hood in here. The thread can be pushed on the series. The hood is fixed on the elements. Let's see the first tool of the left. T1. T1, the tool 1 sliding on the air cylinder. With movable foot to push and change the direction of the thread. You see. And then the tool. Left T2. In here, something like scissors to cut the threads. After the threads hold the buckle. So this is the left element of the fifth element. Let's continue to translate the right parts of fifth elements, FR. The fifth element in the moving directions can judge from the cylinder shot moving this direction. Most important to see the tool. Right T, right tool, which is a clipper. The clipper, the buckle can fixed on the clipper. You can see the hood can push the threads in the buckle and retract it back, turn around, thread back, and push whatever's take a knot by this mechanism, and then cut the threads in here. So we handle the holder first, and then handle the buckle next, and then let's handle the very beginning of the thread. The T means top, toppest. B means body. The toppest body is very big. There is a bear can move horizontally. The body with the connections connect to a bear moving vertically, which is located on the foundation. And then the other direction we have mechanism to handle the movements and the clipping of the threads. Okay, the top is the body in. You see a bear here and a component here, and then connect it with the foundation. TC means connection. Right now, translate the IGES file of the connection in here. The connection connect the horizontal movement body as well as the vertical movement elements on the foundation. connection. Let's see the foundation. The foundation is there, moving up and down with the connection to fixed with the body. And then the bear moving horizontal. And in addition to this mechanism, we have additional one driven by air cylinder moving the third direction. Let's see. The MF5R. T means toughest, M moving parts moving the third direction. We see the body first. The body with the air cylinder. Air cylinder can move along the bear moving horizontally. Here is the cylinder. And a shaft, top moving parts on top of it can moving out and in the third directions of the toughest elements. You see the shaft moving this direction. And last is the tool to hold the threads. The threads can moving forward and backward, left and right, up and down, 3 directions for the threads handling needed. The whole mechanism are translated in a real engine already. Let's see the whole view and for the ending. In can this beginning parts can move this direction and then this direction and up and down. This one for up and down, this one for horizontal. Depends on what needed. The thread in and the holder. The thread, notally, and the buckle fix the knots and curling the thread down. Finish the parts. All can be finished on this machine. Okay, finished.
就这样一生与你擦肩过，眼前残光光一片片，四海无缘在心间，起伏绵绵的哀愁在胸口，眼看着滚烫的眼泪滑落，这期待中如何去承受？